Cardano was one of the very first coins to break down outside of its broadening wedge pattern, falling all the way to the predicted support line right about here at 32 cents. Now, all signs are pointing to bullish, but if Bitcoin drops, this is going to be catastrophic for Cardano and could lead to as much as a 20% drop. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know and what you can do to prepare. Let's get started. Here we are on the Trade Confident.io website. We're going to scroll down over here to Cardano. Now I'm going to run through these metrics really quickly, mainly because I just want to take you to the live charts. So right here, the emotional index is in fearful. Most often this is bullish. Cardano long versus short trades, we're seeing a slight uptick in short trades, which is partially what contributed to this drop. If this continues rising, I do expect the price to drop further. Cardano whale smart money metric is not quite in the 800 to 1000 range that we like to see when trading this metric. Ideally, we want to see bars much higher before we really see long trades come into the market. But with that said, there is still long trade for Cardano. Next up is the Cardano volatility breakout detector. And as the price of Cardano has dropped very quickly, so has volatility here. But most often when we see drops into low volatility like we see here, we see pretty big moves happen. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that. Next is the Cardano major support and resistance level. Right now we have major support at 32.9 cents and structure resistance now at 34.54 cents. Unfortunately, we'll actually be needing to pay attention to this 29.53 cent structure support as well. Last but not least is the Cardano daily trade scanner. As the price continues to drop, we will be looking for buy or strong buy signals as we see here in anticipation of the next move up. And as soon as we see that, we will let everyone know. That'll be really important because again, that likely signals the uptrend like it did here. Now, if you want to get access to these metrics and many more benefits like future forecasts videos and Wisdom Wednesday episodes for members only content or trade setups right here, there are 4 open trades, 3 wins, 0 losses. If you want to get access to all that and more, you can sign up for our membership at the links in the description. Just go ahead and scroll down. It'll be the very first link right here. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can sign up for the full access, only $59 a month for all the benefits I just talked about and more, including access to 20 coins worth of those metrics, members only content in the form of Wisdom Wednesdays and future forecast episodes, Zoom coaching every single month, scalping trade calls, and the morning brew overview. If you want to sign up, just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and with that, we hope to trade with you soon. Now, let's get to the exciting part of the video with the live charts. Alrighty, we're looking at Cardano on the 1-day time frame here. The price of Cardano has dropped like crazy, breaking out of this broadening wedge pattern, as I said in the intro. From there, we dropped to the predicted support level of 32.38 cents. And at this point, the price versus one money flow is super low on its chart with the trend exhaustion super low as well. Both of these, especially if we get a buy signal here, combine to be some of the most bullish signals that we can get in cryptocurrency. Now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, the story is pretty similar. Price versus one money flow low. Trend exhaustion is a little bit higher on its chart than I'd like it to be, but overall, as we approach this structure support again, more than likely that's going to be a bullish sign. However, if we move to the 1-week time frame, now this is not as bearish as Bitcoin's 1 week, but still we have price versus one money flow high, trend exhaustion much higher, even as we approach this structure support. And most often, if we see signals for a move down as we approach structure support, this means we're likely to break through it. So on Cardano here, both the 4-hour and the 1-day time frames are bullish. However, the 1-week time frame is bearish. And along those lines, this morning I posted a video about Bitcoin here actually being bearish in a similar way, despite price versus one money flow being low, most often being a signal for a move up. Bitcoin is actually very likely to move down, possibly as far down as $20,413. If it does, it will not bode well for the rest of cryptocurrency, with Cardano being no exception, even if the indicators are pointing bullish. This is simply because the vast majority of the cryptocurrency market cap is in Bitcoin. So where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the cryptocurrency market will likely go too. With that in mind, if I were to take a long trade right now, I would set up buy limits. And the way to do that is using the TC top and bottom finder here. I'm actually going to do this, show them for you. What I would do is actually split my investment into 3 equal parts. The first part would be market ordered right at this line right now, with the second part being entered at 25 cents here at the first buy limit. And let me scroll in here. The second one would be set at 18 cents at the buy limit too, just in case we get a catastrophic drop down. This means if the price goes up, then I can just take profit on this market order. But if the price drops down and passes through the first buy limit right here, the price at which I'm in profit actually drops significantly. It would be right about here, say about 28.95 cents rather than the full on 33 cents, therefore bringing me into profit faster and making me more money as the price continues rising. If the price drops further and hits below 18 cents, this is just even more profit, bringing it down to about here, making even crazier profit on the move up. However, with that in mind, again, I do want to give you some price predictions and some possible entry points. Of course, this is not financial advice. None of this ever is. But for those looking to enter trades, I'm going to be giving you some price targets of where I do think Cardano's heading next, and you're going to want to stick around. First, I have to let you know you can get up to $400 off all of these indicators, actually 11 indicators total. You'll never guess where? Yep, links in the description. Scroll down here, hit the second link here. Click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page, and the best possible deal is actually going to be the bundle pack right here. It'll come with the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow indicators, as well as 7 others for you to use, as well as a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. This means that purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators using that coupon code is actually cheaper than buying the TC top and bottom finder alone. So that's personally what I would do. Again, links are in the description. With that, let's check out the price targets. Thanks for watching that quick ad. Let's check out the price targets. So of course, first the price needs to fall to this structure support at 32.38 cents. However, if we fall below that, and I fully expect we will, quick tip here, if you hold down Control and click, you can actually drag a brand new line here. I just learned this. It's pretty helpful. Boom, right there. I think that would be the first structure support after the current one. This would put us at 29.81 cents. However, if we fall below that, and that is entirely possible, if Bitcoin drops its full 10%, I think it's going to be really bad for crypto. I think we could see a brand new structure support hit way back here. It would be catastrophic, but 26.83 cents. For Cardano from the current price, this would be between a 10% and as much as a nearly 20% drop in price. Now, I know this isn't feeling good, and because we do have bullish sentiment, I am going to give you a price prediction for the move up too. But as I said, if Bitcoin falls, I think we're going down really, unfortunately. However, for my optimists here, I do want to let you know we do have really strong structure resistance at 34.67 cents. So a move up could earn profit of about 5.27 cents if you enter right now. Again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before entering any trades whatsoever. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.